other presidents, the presidents of other business and fraternal organizations, other honored guests, PMAP colleagues and friends, on behalf of the 2009 board, thank you for joining us today. In one of his more well-known poems, Khalil Gibran affirms the sacred role of parents. He tells mothers and fathers, "You are the bows from which your children, as living arrows, are sent forth." I hope you will not begrudge me a little poetry on this occasion, although I cannot do it as well as Senator Gordon. As many of you know, my father is one of the founding members of PMAP, and therefore, nothing gives me greater joy today than having my father, Kingo Romal, Orly Peña, Jim Castro, and Nash Khan witness our induction this afternoon. In one GMM, my father surveyed the packed ballroom at Dusit, shook his head from side to side, and with a pleased smile on his face remarked, "I never thought that PMAP would grow to be this big." In the last 52 years, the living arrows sent forth by our founding fathers and mothers have indeed gone swift and far. And today, we have a PMAP that is our pride and our passion. If someone not familiar with PMAP would ask me to explain the passion that drives us, I would show him our logo for 2009, the money tree, the work of a Visayan artist, Gregorio Masculino. A closer look at the roots show an intricate network of people united in working together, Katick Bisig style, to enjoy the fruits of their cooperative endeavor. The artist says, "This is what hanap buhay is all about." The image hints at the vulnerability of money. Fruits can be easily plucked and consumed. It can be shaken down by a financial crisis, such as what we have today, but the roots endure and can sustain for years.